Hello, I will talk about one of the extension files for HTML Studio, AnkhSVN. AnkhSVN is source control with subversion for HTML Studio. It allows common version control operation directly within HTML Studio. Let me show you how to install this extension to HTML Studio. So execute HTML Studio. Now you can see all the menus: File, Edit, View, and so on. Choose Tools menu. Choose Extension Manager. This opens Extension Manager window. This lists all the available or installed extensions to your HTML Studio. Now we want to install AnkhSVN. Goes to Online Gallery. Choose AnkhSVN and click Download. This download may take several minutes. Now we finished downloading the extension file. Now it shows download and install window. Click Install. This will open up the web page for general Get Started or other help menus. If you want, you can read this information, but for now, I will close this window. Now we finished installing AnkhSVN extension. Now we have to restart HTML Studio 6. Click Restart Now button. Restarting HTML Studio 6 may take some time. So we restarted HTML Studio 6. Goes to Tools menu, Options, and choose Source Control submenus. Check Plugins section, and now current source control plugin should be AnkhSVN Subversion Support for Visual Studio. If it's not, please choose AnkhSVN Subversion Support for Visual Studio. Click OK. So now we downloaded AnkhSVN extension successfully and installed it. Thank you for watching.